To make it easy, I recommend you to use computer or laptop to do this because we need to do a payment operation to watch Tastemade Plus. So first, you want to sign in into your YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. After that, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then click right here at the shop icon, which will open up this network and add-ons. And then you want to click on all to see all the channel that was available. And then just scroll down and try to search for Tastemade. Right here on the Tastemade Plus, you want to click on it. And then you want to add Tastemade Plus to your YouTube TV membership by paying $6 per month, and you can get 7-day free trial. So just click on next and complete your purchase with your debit or credit card or even your PayPal. And then to watch Tastemade Plus, you can do this on your computer or TV. You want to go to your top right of your screen and then click right here on the search icon. You can do it on your TV or any streaming devices and then try to search for Tastemade. Right here on the Tastemade Plus with this network sign, you want to click on it. And then you can just scroll down and then start to watch any series or movies from Tastemade Plus. And you can also add the movies or series that you want to watch on your smart TV by adding them to your library, where you can also skip the ads when you add a show to the YouTube TV library. To do it, you can just choose on any show, and then right here, I want to choose on Making It Easy. Just click on the three dots, and then click on Add with the show name. Or you can just select or open the specific show, and then click right here on the plus sign. And to check on every show that you add or recorded, you can go to your top of your screen and then click right here on the library beside the home page. So on your smart TV, you can just hop into this section without looking into the live guide and enjoy your favorite show. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to watch Tastemade Plus on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.